no signal to include online gambling sa e-wallets? Did you do that? Kasi ang alam ko po, e-wallet para madala ng pera, di po ba? Bakit po pumayag kayo? I mean, this has been going on for several years now.
Mr. Chair, we allowed them to send funds or to remit funds to legal and
Pero po, bilisan lang po natin, pinayagan nyo ba sila na maglagay ng gambling? Pinayagan po ninyo? Yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Did you? Did you or did you not? Para malinaw po tayo, may katanungan po Senator Marcoleta. Magtatanong pa po Senator Cayetano, di pa po kami tapos sa PAGCOR. Just answer yes or no. Pinayagan nyo ba?
Sandali po, hindi pa nasasagot mo. Enabler, promoter, and marketer ng online games. Kasi,
hindi po.
Mr. Chair, parang sila ngayon ang nagigisa eh. That's why I'd like to point out, ano po ba yung limited participation ninyo eh? Kasi ang PAGCOR po ang merong regulatory powers dito eh. Bakit hindi sila yung mauna na mag-regulate? Bakit po yung GCash ang dinidiin natin? Parang nakikita ko, we're all barking on the wrong tree. I just made the suggestion this morning but I did not expect na sila yung gigisahin natin. Hindi po sila yung operator eh. Ang kanila, sa akin pong pagkakaunawa, the participation of GCash, of course, only at the point where lawful payment facilitation is performed. And GCash has employed stringent regulatory and compliance control. So, bakit sila yung receiving end? Ito lang naman ang punto. Let us be very reasonable here. Don't be harsh on anybody. Yung PAGCOR ang uunahin natin dito. Sila yung nag-breakdown ng regulation. If they cannot regulate their own accredited and approved online game operators, at sinasabi nila ngayon dito, Mr. Chair, ang problema yung pong mga illegal, bakit hindi po nyo puntahan ng mga platforms, Mr. PAGCOR? Eh, ang mga platforms, kabisado naman natin kung sino-sino sila. Ito yung Google Pay. Ito yung Amazon, ito yung Facebook, ito yung Twitter. Can you not go to them in the first place with the help of DICT? Doon kayo magsimula. That's the first layer. And then go back to your legal or illegal. Tingnan nyo kung meron silang KYC measures to protect the public. Why are we frying the e-wallet? Wala po akong nakikitang participation nila sa e-gambling or whatever.
Yes, but they are the conduit to
But for the record, I was the one who suggested.
Hindi po pwede magtaya yung mga bata kung wala yun.
Kaya nga po, ang sinasabi ko, isuspend nila. Tapos na yun. Pag sinuspend nila lahat, yung link, so wala na pong magbabayad. At the very least, merong provisional tayong nagawa ngayon. May provisional measures that we have done. But let us not naman fry people.
Let me answer,
Mr. Chair.
Bakit nag-isa? Yeah.
Sir,
Let me, with your permission, dahil ako
Tiveros.
ako po yung medyo minitulo. First and foremost, tama po, Senator Marcoleta, ikaw nag-suggest. Ang kasalanan ko, I take all of your suggestions seriously. Na-offend lang po ako na sinagot kasi na wala na yan, wala nang links. Samantalang nung inon ko yung phone ng aking staff, meron pa rin link. And because nga, I found it lack of political will na July 5, kinonsulta pa rather than then. Secondly, sir, the thing is, I have received information, complaints from very, very reliable, in fact, players to, that yung ibang e-wallets, hindi ko sasabihin kung sino, later on kasi imbitahin naman ni Chairman Tulfo, sinabi niya kanina, that pati sa illegal, ginagamit yung e-wallets at kulang ang ginagawa nila. Ang PAGCOR does not regulate the e-wallets. It is central bank. Having said that, it is a bigger problem. So anyway, we'll leave it there and we will go now to PAGCOR. So with that, pasensya ka na, Senator Marcoleta, we're not passing the blame to central bank, but we're sharing the blame with I share the blame with all of you. Dapat talaga nung pinasa yung PAGCOR law, tinanggal kasi dito sa Senate yung yung internet. Nakaban yun talaga nung 2007 law. Diba? Kaya hindi ko masisi si Chairman Al kasi wala sa batas ngayon na bawal ang internet. Nilalagay namin ni Joel Villanueva yun sa pero tinanggal dito sa Senate. Anyway,
Mr. Chairman,
Mr.
if I may just very quickly, no, and I share the sentiments of my dear colleague Senator Alan Cayetano. In fact, every time we talk about PAGCOR's Charter, Section 10 of PD 1869, yung PAGCOR Charter as amended gives PAGCOR authority to operate and license gambling casinos, gambling clubs, and other similar recreation or amusement places, gaming pools. Wala dito yung online di ba? Hindi natin yan. But I will go to that
Tayo
later.
sa House, nilagay
I
natin
remember
yon.
that. Yes, I remember
Sa
that.
BICAM, natanggal dito sa
Yes.
Senate. But at that
Yes.
time, hindi pa naman natin alam yung
Yes.
apps, hindi pa
Yes.
natin alam yung Paymaya,
Yes.
Gcash.
I remember that, Senator Cayetano. And just to put on record, Mr. Chairman, just like Senator Marcoleta, I share the same thing. I have nothing against e-wallets, etc. It's just that ginagamit sila eh. At it appears that na hindi nagagawa ng regulating body yung dapat niyang gawin. Kanina, uminit din yung ulo ko dahil hindi ko po alam. And I'd like to put this on record because I didn't know these mechanisms. No? Yung, for example, naglagay na pala ng pera yung mga kababayan natin. Hindi ko alam yun eh. So ngayon ko lang ho narinig. Have I heard it kanina? Kaya may 48 hours. Hindi ako sasamahan loob eh. Now that you mentioned it, para maprotektahan na yung mga naglagay at makalabas sila, then I understand and I will share now the position of the chair.
Yes.
Na
Senator
bigyan sila
Riza's bill
ng, time pa. So
actually,
just put that on record,
yes.
Chair. Thank you.
Senator Riza's bill actually includes the ban. So tama yung tanong po ni Senator Mix na, Sir, when will the central bank decide whether on your own, under the law, you can do that now will you ban the use of e-wallets for gaming? Kasi,
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
With the indulgence of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, go ahead, Senator Tiberos.
Salamat, Mr. Chair, at salamat din kay Senator Alan. Dahil nabanggit na rin po niya, indeed yung pagputol po absolutely ng link sa pagitan ng mga e-wallets at super apps at mga online gambling platforms, isa sa pinaka-importanting provision nung bill ko. Which is why also, Mr. Chair, I just wanted to manifest kasi kanina nabanggit na yung mga e-wallets. I'm really looking forward, Mr. Chair, dun sa sinabi ng chair kanina na iimbitahin din sila sa susunod na pagdinig para matanong natin. Because I believe those e-wallets, whether Gcash, Paymaya, at iba pa, ay may sagutin sa problemang ito ng online gambling. Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Tiberos. Go ahead, Senator Cayetano.
Mamaya kasi, Mr. Chair, I will show, and yun doon ako papunta sa question ko kay Chairman Al, na sa isabong kasi, nakita din natin yung difference ng may betting station at saka yung nagagamit yung e-wallets. So, I'm not pressuring the central bank, sir. It's just, sinusundan ko lang yung question ni Senator Mix. Have you decided or it's still under consideration whether ipagpabawal ang paggamit ng e-wallet? And let me explain why, ha. In the casino, part of know your client, di ba? Kapag ka nagka-gambling addiction yan, the family member can call the casino and can tell them, Mr. Cruz or Mr. De La Cruz or Mr. Santos has a gambling, hindi ka na pwede doon. Di ba? And may limit din yung dala mong pera and may limit din yung ATM na pwede mong gastusin. But if you can use your credit cards and your e-wallets for online gaming, and then if it's hitting yung masa, so yung katulad ng kwento ni Becoming Filipino si Kulas, di ba? He was in a jeep, every stop, naglo-load ng 50 pesos, di ba? So, yes sir, hindi kayo ang operator, pero if it's just like banks. Why do we have the anti-money laundering law? Hindi naman yung bangko ang naglo-launder pero nagiging conduit ng laundering. Kaya kapag ka may bangko na nag-launder ng ngayon, ipipinalize nyo. So kung nagiging conduit ngayon yung e-wallets, sa laki ng kita nila, they don't need this. This is just additional transaction to them. Sir, baka yun ang so just answer that question, but in the next hearing, can you give us data sa kita ng e-wallets? How much ang kita nila yung day-to-day transactions, whether kuryente, tubig, grocery, in general at magkano yung sa online, sa gaming ho, di ba? So is the central bank considering that or hindi na, tapos na yung regulations niyo?
Your Honor, the suspension of the in-house links from the mobile apps is an immediate measure while we are finalizing the
Okay, so you're discussing
regulations on regulating.
Okay.
the
So you're
use of
discussing
payments.
that part kasi mas mabigat nga yung part na yon, whether they can use it or not.
Yes.
And I assume you'll be monitoring this hearing and the inputs para makita nga yun. No? And you will include credit cards. Can you include credit cards?
Yes, Mr. Yes,
Yeah,
Your Honor,
kasi-
that credit cards are included among those that we will prohibit to use to
Yes, kasi pag
pay
tinanggal
for-
mo sa Paymaya, GCash, tapos magkaroon naman ng site ang Visa, Mastercard, American Express, di ganun din lang, di ba? So, Chairman Al, dahil maraming magtatanong, no, yung una kong punto kasi doon sa physical casinos nga, may opt-out ang mga city eh. So, whether Tagaytay yan or Batanes or ano, di ba? Pero dito sa online, yun ang problema namin na one, wala naman distance from the church and the school. So theoretically, yung guardian ng school can be in the CR pag walang nakatingin at naglalaro. Ang church, pwedeng nagpe-praise the Lord kami, yung pala yung katabi namin, tumama na pala sa bingo or sa scuttle or whatever, no? So, are you studying this regulation? Oh, so if a city wants to opt out of online, can we ask the ICT to take out the online from our city? I'm just asking, have you considered it? If not, I know that you will have to discuss it.
We are considering, Your Honor, the possibility of placing bets in betting stations only. Pinag-aaralan po namin pangkasalukuyan yun na kung halimbawa po imbis na dito ka tumaya sa iyong telepono, kayo'y kailangan pumunta na lang sa isa para pong sa
Sure.
karera yung off-fronton.
Yeah.
So isa po sa tinitingnan namin yon. Ang tinitingnan po lang namin na konsiderasyon talaga yung ano yung mawawala sa merkado. Doon po sa binanggit nyo, gusto ko rin pong idagdag na rin, Senator Cayetano yun, na ang PAGCOR po hindi pinapayagan na gumamit ng credit card ang sino man sa pagtataya. Yung po, maski sa online, bawal po yun. Hindi po natin kasama po sa regulasyon yun. Hindi po tayo pumapayag na ang credit card ay magamit nila na pambayad sa kanilang pagsusugal online.
Thank you for that, Chairman.